Hello, my name is Dr. Ashley Toy, and I am an occupational therapist and will be your professor for this course here at Eastern Kentucky University. I am so pleased that you have enrolled in Early Childhood Sensory Motor Development. I anticipate a really great semester in this really exciting course. I would like to introduce myself just a bit. Since it's an online format, we don't get to see each other face to face, so I find it's helpful to at least see my face and know a little bit about me. I graduated from Spalding University in Louisville, Kentucky with my Master's of Science in Occupational Therapy in 2007. It's hard for me to believe that was over 10 years ago, but I have been practicing occupational therapy since then in multiple settings, primarily in pediatrics, both in home health through first step settings. I have opened and ran a couple of pediatric outpatient clinics. I've also worked in hospital settings and rehab as well. Also, besides pediatrics, have done traumatic brain injury and stroke and some other float opportunities. So have lots of skills that I've learned over time that I hope will be of use in learning through this curriculum. I completed my doctorate in occupational therapy from Eastern Kentucky University in 2016, which wasn't that long ago. And so I'm really excited to be back a part of the staff here at EKU. So I hope that through our time in this course, you're able to learn a lot of things that will be valuable to you in whatever profession that you end up in. This is a pretty eclectic group of people, both graduate and undergraduate, from various disciplines. So I think that you will find all the information to be useful to you throughout your time and work with special needs kids. So I'm excited to see what learning happens and where we go in this course. So I look forward to reading your introductions and getting to know a little bit about you as well.